Hey guys, so just got out of work, a little bored, and so I was thinking of just going watching the Z, getting some footage of it. I mean, just hanging out. I also did get an invite to be featured on someone's Instagram. So basically, what I'm gonna do is set up some cameras, try to get a little shoot going for myself. So yeah, let's go out for a little ride and hang out. So yeah, car's definitely dirty. Got little homies on here, basically. It's parking all under these trees and crap. They just fall out of the tree right on it, so I'm gonna have to clean all these dudes off. So I've been like peeping this spot for like the last 2 years since I've been living here. So I think it's gonna be a sick shot. So like I said, I'm gonna try to get this as clean as possible right now. It's just washed, everything like that. The GoPro's got all set up. So now I'm just gonna basically try to do all this. Rushed out of work.
Have a good one, man. Nice meeting you.
So that was pretty crazy. But it's all good. I mean, comes with the territory, right? So mid video shoot, an officer came up and was like, hey man, what's going on here? So I guess this place used to be an old paper mill, and I guess people have been tagging it, and there's just a bunch of crap going on. So whatever. He was super chill. So thank you, officer. Thanks for not kicking me out. But I had a feeling something was gonna happen. So it's all good. But I'm just finishing up here now. So I think it's pretty dope. So. I had a feeling, but it's all good. So I got that on the GoPro too, so you'll actually see him walk up and everything. So it's all right. Good thing I'm a personal person, right, guys? So just coming back from the whole car shoot situation. So the cop was super cool. He didn't have a problem with me being there at all. He knows that I'm not gonna be messing with anybody or anything or destroying property. Basically, I was just hanging out. and just like I said, taking a video for you guys, taking shots for the Instagram. So he was cool. He chilled out for about like 5 or 10 minutes. We just talked cars and stuff, and then he went on his way and whatever. He did run my plate though, so that was pretty funny. He tried to be slick about it. He was like, he said my plate number, and I like it was like after I left the car, so I started walking towards the GoPro that was kind of away from the car, as you guys could see, and he like ran off my plate like real quiet, and I was like, "Aw, come on, guy." I was like, "My car's not stolen." I was like, "I'm not a bad kid." Like, we sat and talked. I was like, "Listen, I work here. Like, I just moved here not too long ago, this and that." So, but I guess he didn't give me the benefit of the doubt. So, but I'm back at my place now. So, basically just gonna get the edit going for you guys and whatever. So if you guys like the video, just leave a comment below. Just let me know how it went. Like I said, this is something a little different. Instead of like doing all the DIY stuff, I just had like a little field trip with you guys. So just remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later in the next one. Peace.